Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on? Good morning to you. This is your 1 minute motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote from today. Commitment means staying loyal to what you said you were going to do long after the mood you said it in has disappeared. Look, you know, you were hyped up, weren't you? You were hyped up when you made that commitment to change this, make something happen with that. You were all motivated and you're all pumped up, ready to get out there, and you did. You started. But eventually, you started to run out of that enthusiasm. The commitment just started to drift away. And this is now time to get yourself back in the game. Remember what motivated you to start this in the first place. And well, just why did you want it so bad? Get yourself moving in the right direction again and find that commitment that you began with.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.